Okay, let's start diamond push-up in 33 reps per set. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 2, 0. 3, 0. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wide push-up. Start. 1, 0. 2, 0. 3, 0. Medyo mabigat at diniretso eh. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Set. Natapos natin yung set number 2. Okay, natapos na yung set number 2. Last set is regular push-up. So, yan yung pang last set natin. For 33 years old, 33 push-ups. So, tatlong 33 yon. So, tatlong sets, 33. Yun yan. 66, 100, 99 lang pala. So, tatlong 33 equals 99. Oh, okay na yun. Parang nag-100 push-up challenge lang. Okay, let's go for last set, 33. One, 0.